Hi girls, how are you? It's teacher Lina. Today I'm going to be teaching you your new dance. So do you remember what it's called? It's your Chinese chocolate dance. So there are different versions of this dance. This dance is in the ballet called the Nutcracker. And the Nutcracker is about this girl who goes into the land of the sweets. So you are one of the sweets in this dance, and you're the Chinese chocolate or the Chinese tea dance. It depends on which ballet it is, but teacher wants you to be the little Chinese chocolates, okay? So I want you to be able to memorize the steps to this dance. So make sure you're listening, alright girls? And if you feel like you need to repeat the dance, you can always play this video again from the top and we can do it together. Got it, girls? Thumbs up if we're ready? Okay. Okay, girls, so let's first do this dance slowly. Okay, so we'll do it together. First step is to smile, of course. Stretch your knees, feet in first position. We'll go through the first step. We tendu one, the right foot, close in first. Tendu your left foot, close in first. And then we're going to jump 4 times. So 4 times. 1, remember to stretch your knees when you jump. 2, 3, and 4. Repeat again. And tendu 1 to the right, close. Tendu to the left, and close. So take 4 times. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now we go flex our foot to the right, and 1 with your Chinese hands. Do you remember? So elbows up, hands by your side, and 1. This is 4 times, and remember to flex your foot, and 3, and 4. Okay, teacher's going to move on. Remember, we're going to jump in a circle. So face the 4 corners of your room. So day and 1, remember to keep your feet in first. And 2. And 3. And 4. Okay, let's do that one more time, a bit faster, okay? Remember to point your toes when you tendu, but when you do your flex, you bend your knees, you flex your foot. Clear? Ready? And 8. Tendu 1 and close. 2 and close. 4 sautes. 1, 2. And 3. Jump high. One more time. 1, and to the left, and 2. Saute 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Now we flex. And 2. And 3. Last one. 4. We saute in the 4 corners. And 2. And 3. Last one. 4. And 8. Okay, girls. Good job. Shake your hands. Now we go to the next step. And this is the challenging part of your dance, is when we balance in your passe. Okay? So, we keep our hands here. We passe with the right foot. Remember, pass through the leg. Flex your foot. And point. Close in first left side. Passe left. Flex your foot. And point. And close. You have to practice this while we're away, okay? And if you need extra help, you can hold the bar. Practice your passe. Tendu. Point your toes and close. Then the left side, just make sure you keep your knee straight so you don't fall over. And flex. And point. And close. Now we go to the last part of your dance, and this is your skip. So let's skip. How many times? 2 times. Very good. 2 times around your room. And go with your Chinese hands. 1 and 2. Passe. Remember to point your toes in passe. Point your toes. Point and chin up. Don't look down. Don't look down. And last pose and stay. You have to stay for 3 counts. So count 1, 2, 3, and stand up. Step to the right and you curtsy, Chinese hands. And step to the left and Chinese hands. And 8. Okay, girls, are we clear? So we're going to do this one more time. But this time, we're going to be doing it with the music. So take a sip of water and let's get started. And clips, left foot. 1, 2. Keep smiling. Left side. Remember to keep on smiling, girls. Point your toes. Ready for skips and go. Point your toes. Last pose. Stay. And stand up. And clips, left foot. 1, 2. Keep smiling. Left side. Remember to keep on smiling, girls. Point your toes. Ready for skips and go. Point your toes. Last pose. Stay. And stand up. And curtsy. And you step to the left and curtsy. Okay, good job, girls. So we're going to be doing this in your class again, and I expect you to get it a little more perfect than you do it each time. So you have to make sure that you practice this every day. Okay, girls? And I will see you on our class time. Bye!